Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine. Friends, it's a new week to us. So may God bless each and everyone. Friends, we have started with the chapter number 2, forms of business organization, right? And we have started with the topic of sole proprietorship, Hindu undivided family, as well as we have seen the topic of the partnership, right? So today we are going to learn types of partners. Now, what is that? Types of partners. We know that as per the rule of 2013, there should be 100 members, and as per 2014, there should be maximum 50 members. That means the partners. So now already we have discussed that the 50 partners or the 100 partners cannot manage the whole business. That's why the definition is very clear. According to the Partnership Act 1932, partnership is a relationship between the person who have agreed to share the profit of a business which is carried by all or any of them on behalf of all. So, so from the definition is very clear that 50 partners cannot handle the whole business or 100. So there are some different classification of the partners. Yes, there are some different classification of the partners. So let's see the first one. A partnership firm can have different type of partners. So clearly they says that a partnership firm can have different type of partners with different roles and liabilities. Different roles and liabilities, right? An understanding of this type is important for a clear understanding of their rights and responsibility. They are described as follows. The first is the active partner. Now, what is an active partner? An active partner means what? An active partner is a partner who takes active interest in the business. He invests the capital also. He bears the profit or loss of the business also. That means totally he is giving 100% time, 100% efficiency to the development of the firm. That is known as an active partner. That the word is also says active partner. So what is an active partner? An active partner is one who contributes capital. Clearly they want to say that an active partner is one who contributes capital, participates in the management of the firm, participate in the management of the firm, share its profit and loss, and it's liable to an unlimited extent of the creator of the firm. It means they want to say about unlimited liability. Clear? So what is an active partner? An active partner is a person who contributes capital, right? Who contributes the capital to the firm, take parts in the management of the firm, bears the profit or loss of the firm, and have which liability? Unlimited liability. Next, just we can highlight this one. An active partner is one who contributes capital, participates in the management of the firm, shares the profit and loss of the firm, and liable to the unlimited extent of the creator of the firm. That we can say as an unlimited liability. These partners take actual part in carrying out the business of the firm on behalf of the other partners. These partners, clearly they says that these partners take actual part in carrying out business of the firm on behalf of the other. We can just eliminate that. We can say only active partner. So what is active partner, friends? An active partner means the partner who takes active interest in the business, first of all, who contributes the capital, right, take parts in the management, bears the profit and loss of the business, and has the unlimited liability towards the creator of the business. Now the second, friends, they are saying is sleeping or dormant partner. The word itself says sleeping. Now it's a normal term that sleeping means what? Sleeping means the person who doesn't want to take active interest in the business. That type also partners are there. Those who are not actively engaged in the business, that they are known as what? Sleeping partners. So let's see that. Partners who do not take part in the day-to-day activities of the business are called sleeping partners. So very simply they want to say, what they want to say, partners who do not take part in partners who do not take part in day-to-day activities of the business are called sleeping partners. What they want to say, partners who do not take active interest in the day-to-day activities of the business is called sleeping partner. A sleeping partners, however, now just see the topic. A sleeping partner, however, contributes the capital to the firm. He contributes the capital, he shares the profit and the loss, he has the unlimited liability, everything. But only one thing is that he do not participate in the day-to-day activities of the firm. So friends, what we have learned in the sleeping partner, or the other name is what? Dormant partner. Right? What is sleeping or dormant partner? Partner who do not take part in the day-to-day activities of a business are called the sleeping partner. A sleeping partner, however, contributes to the firm, shares the profit, and has unlimited liability. Right? Yes. Now let's see the coming topic, that is the next partner, secret partner. Now what is this that? A secret partner is one whose association with the firm is unknown to the general public. Right? It is not given, not disclosed in short. Other than this distant feature, in all the other aspects, he is like the rest of the partners. Secret partner means the partner in which one who has the association with the partnership firm is not revealed to the public, right? Is not revealed to the public. So what we the secret partner? A secret partner is one whose association with the firm is unknown to the general public. Other than this distant feature, in all the other aspects, he is like the rest of the other partners. He contributes the capital of the firm, take parts in the management of the firm, shares the profit and loss of the firm, and has unlimited liability towards the creditors of the firm. Clear to you? So what is a secret partner? A secret partner is one whose association with the firm is, just one word, is unknown to the general public. Other than this distant feature, all the other assets like the rest of the partners is same. That means he contributes the capital to the firm. Clear? He contributes the capital, he takes parts in the management, he bears the profit and loss of the business, as well as he has the unlimited liability. So friends, we have learned three type of partners. First is the, yes, active partner. Number two is a sleeping partner. Number three is the secret partner. Yes. Number four is the nominal partner. Now what is a nominal? Nominal means what? The person who gives the name, that you can use my name. Right. For example, we can take the example of Dheeraj Sons, which is very much good name in the Surat. So anyone wants to start in the business or Udna or any other area, they can talk with the management of the Dheeraj Sons and then they can take the name. And for that, they have to give the money for it. That is known as goodwill. So what is nominal partner? A nominal partner is one who allows the use of his or her name by the firm, but does not contribute towards the capital, does not take active part in managing the firm, does not share the profit or loss, but is liable like other partners to the third party for the repayment of the firm's debt. Right. So what is a nominal partner? A partner one who allows his name to use a partner, a nominal partner is one who allows the use of his or her name by the firm, but does not contribute to the capital, does not take part in the management of the business, does not share the profit and loss of the business, but its liability is what, friends? Unlimited. Its liability is firm but unlimited. Clear? So I think four things we have learned. sleeping. First is the active partner. Number 2 is sleeping partner. Number 3 is secret partner. Number 4 is the nominal partner. Fifth one, partner by Istofel. Now, what is that? Istofel means what? A person by his behavior reveals that he is the partner of the particular firm. But actually, it's not like that. Let's see. A person is considered a partner by Istofel if through his or her own initiative, conduct or behavior, he or she gives an impression to the others that he or she is a partner of a firm. By his behavior, he wants to reveal that he is the partner. Mainly, we can see in the real estate firms, lot of persons are there, brokers are there, and they reveal that yes, sir, this is my flat. I am the partner of this particular project, and I want to sell this product. Like means what we say by their behavior, we believe that they are the partners. So what is that? A person is considered to be the partner by Stoffel if through his or her own initiative, conduct or behavior, he or she gives an what impression to the others that he or she is the partners of the firm. Such partners are held what? Such partners are held liable for the debts of the firm. Such partners are held liable for the debts of the firm because in the eyes of the third party, they are considered as the partners. Even though they are not contributing the capital or they take part in the management. Right? So what we can say? A person is considered as a partner by Stoffel if through his or her own behavior or conduct or initiative, if he or she gives an impression that he is the partner of the firm. Such partners are held liable. Such partners are held liable for the firm. Such partners are held liable for the debt of the firm even they are not contributing any capital, not take part in the management of the firm. Right. So what we can say? A person is considered a partner by Stoffel if though his or her initiative, conduct or behavior, if she gives an impression to other that she is a partner, he or she is a partner. Such partners are held liable for the debts of the firm because in the eyes of the third party, they are considered as partners, even though they do not contribute the capital or take part in the management. Suppose Rani is a friend of Seema. Right. Suppose Rani is a friend of Seema, who is a partner in a software firm, Simplex Solution. On Seema's request, Rani accompanies her to a business meeting with Mohan Software and actively participate in the negotiation process for the business deal and give the impression that she is also a partner in Simplex Solution. If credit is extended to Simplex Solution on the basis of this negotiation, Rani would also be liable for the repayment of such debt. She is a partner of the firm. Right. So friends, now the topic is next one. So clear, I think it's a partner by Stoffel. So we have learned up to 5 topics, right? Active partner, sleeping partner, secret partner, nominal partner, partner by Stoffel, partner by holding out. Now what is that? A partner by holding out is a person who, though he is not a partner in a firm, but knowingly allow himself, herself to be represented as a partner in a firm. Such person becomes liable to the outside creditors. It's like the Stoffel only, like extended on the basis of such representation. In case he is not really a partner and want to save himself from such a liability, he should immediately issue a denial clarifying his position that he is not a partner in the firm. If he does not do so, he will be responsible. So what we can say, partner by holding out. A partner by holding out is a person who though is not a partner in a firm, partner नहीं है firm में, but knowingly allow himself, knowingly जानबूझ के, knowingly allows himself or herself to be represented as a partner in a firm. Such a person become liable to outside creditors for repayment of any debt which has been extended to the firm on the basis of such representation. So what we can say, partners by holding out. A partner by holding out is a person who is not a partner in a firm. Partner नहीं है, but knowingly allows himself or herself to be represented as a partner in a firm. Such a person become liable to outside creditors for the repayment of any debt which has been extended. Now we can see the difference. I think that you can easily make it out. It's very simple that you can do by your own, right? After that, friends, we have learned the topic types of partner. Now we are going to learn types of partnership. टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप का मतलब पार्टनरशिप कितने तरह के होते हैं, राइट. पार्टनरशिप एट ड्यूरेशन पहले हम ये पढ़ेंगे. पार्टनरशिप कैन बी क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टू फैक्टर्स. दो फैक्टर्स के हिसाब से हम कर सकते हैं, दैट इज ड्यूरेशन एंड लायबिलिटी. ड्यूरेशन एंड लायबिलिटी मतलब कितने समय के लिए है ये. अब कोई काम क्या होता है 1 साल के लिए. For example, to bridge a tunnel. Last day only our Prime Minister has opened the tunnel, right, in northern side of our country, right, Leh and Manali. ठीक है, तो टनल के लिए, ब्रिज के लिए, डैम के लिए तो पार्टनर्स बनाया जाता है. ठीक है. दूसरा होता है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लायबिलिटी. लायबिलिटी दो होते हैं, एक लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी और एक अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटी. देखो क्या लिखा है. Partnership can be classified on the basis of two factors. दो factors के हिसाब से हम classify कर सकते हैं. One is known as duration and number two is what? Liability. On the basis of duration there can be two types of partnership. Partnership at will. Will मतलब अपनी मर्जी से, consent बोलते हैं उसको, मर्जी से. जब कोई पार्टनर को लगता है yes I don't want to continue the firm, he can give the notice and he can separate. है ना, पार्टनरशिप एट विल. एंड दूसरा है पर्टिकुलर पार्टनरशिप. पर्टिकुलर पार्टनरशिप मतलब कोई पर्टिकुलर काम करने के लिए, कोई पर्टिकुलर काम हो गया फ्री हो गए, ऐसा बोलते हैं. So what we can say, partnership can be classified on the basis of two factors. Partnership can be classified on the basis of two factors. One is known as duration and one is known as a liability. On the basis of duration, क्या लिखा है? On the basis of duration, there can be two types of partnership. On the basis of duration, there can be two types of partnership. One is partnership at will and number two is particular partnership. Partnership at will and number two is particular partnership. On the basis of liability, क्या लिखा है? On the basis of liability, the two types of partnership include, दो तरह के partnership, with one with limited liability and other with unlimited liability. ये तो normal है ना. On the basis of liability, liability के हिसाब से दो भाग है, one with limited liability and one with unlimited liability. So what we can say, partnership can be classified on the basis of two factors. One is known as duration and number two is liability. On the basis of duration can be classified again into two, partnership at will and particular partnership. Liability में दो, partnership with limited liability and one is unlimited liability. चलो देखते हैं. On the basis of duration, अब ये क्या है? ड्यूरेशन का मतलब टाइम लिमिट. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ड्यूरेशन. पार्टनरशिप एट विल, विल मतलब अपनी मर्जी से. दिस टाइप ऑफ पार्टनरशिप एग्जिट एट द विल ऑफ द पार्टनर्स. विल मतलब अपनी मर्जी से, क्लियर लिखा, अपनी मर्जी से. इट कैन कंटिन्यू, चला हम कर सकते हैं जब तक सब लोग साथ में है. इट कैन कंटिन्यू एज लॉन्ग एज द पार्टनर्स वांट एंड इट्स टर्मिनेटेड, और बंद भी कर सकते हैं when any partner gives a notice, अगर कोई पार्टनर नोटिस देता है, when any partner gives a notice of withdrawal from the partnership to the firm, right? जब कब बंद कर सकते हैं, जब कोई पार्टनर नोटिस देता है. So very simple है. Partnership at will, this type of partnership exit at the will of the partners. It can continue as long as there is a good relation and harmony among the partners. If any partner wish to not to continue, he has to give a legal notice that he want to dissolve the firm. Firm को dissolve मतलब बंद कर देना. पर्टिकुलर पार्टनरशिप में क्या होता है, पर्टिकुलर काम के लिए पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म्ड, क्या लिखा है, पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म्ड फॉर द अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. पार्टनरशिप क्यों बनाया जाता है, पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म्ड फॉर द अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट, सेज कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बिल्डिंग, बिल्डिंग बनाना, और एन एक्टिविटी to be carried out for a specific time period is called a particular partnership. पर्टिकुलर पार्टनरशिप को इसे कहते हैं पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म्ड, क्या लिखा है, पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म फॉर द अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म्ड फॉर अ अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट सेज कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एन बिल्डिंग, बिल्डिंग बनाना, or an activity to be carried out for a specified time period, कोई भी काम करना, is called a particular partnership. It dissolved automatically, क्या लिखा है, it dissolved automatically, अपने आप वो dissolve हो जाएगा, when the purpose which it has been formed, वो purpose के लिए जिसके लिए हमने बनाया, is fulfilled, or when the time duration expires, जब time duration खत्म हो जाता है. What we can say particular partnership, partnership formed for the accomplishment of a particular project. क्या लिखा है, partnership formed for the accomplishment of a particular project, says construction of a building or an activity which is to be carried out on a specified time period is called particular partnership. It dissolved automatically, dissolve हो जाएगा automatically when the purpose of which has been formed is fulfilled or when the time duration expires. So I think it's very clear to you, very simple. Partnership is formed for the accomplishment of a particular project, says construction of a building or an activity to be carried out for a specified time period is called a particular partnership. It dissolved automatically when the purpose which has been fulfilled or when the time duration expires. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लायबिलिटी. लायबिलिटी का मतलब क्या होता है, कितना टाइम ड्यूरेशन. फर्स्ट इज अ जनरल पार्टनरशिप. इन जनरल पार्टनरशिप द लायबिलिटी ऑफ द पार्टनर इज अनलिमिटेड, क्लियर लिखा है. इन जनरल पार्टनरशिप द लायबिलिटी ऑफ द पार्टनर इज अनलिमिटेड एंड जॉइंट, साथ में है और सबको पे करना पड़ेगा. द पार्टनर्स एंजॉय द राइट to participate in the management of the firm. क्या लिखा है, the partners enjoy the right, partners enjoy करते हैं, partners enjoy the right to participate in the management of the firm and their acts as binding on each other as well as on the firm. Registration of the firm is optional, जरूरी नहीं है, कर सकते हैं, नहीं करे तो भी ठीक है. Registration of the firm is optional. The existence of the firm, क्या लिखा है, the existence of the firm is affected by the death से lunacy, right, insolvency or retirement of a partner. What we can say, general partnership. In general partnership, the liability of the partners enjoys the right to participate. क्या लिखा है, general partnership, the liability of the partner is unlimited and joint. In general partnership, liability of the partnership firm is partners is unlimited and joint. These partners enjoy the right to participate in the management of the firm and their acts are binding on each other as well as on the firm. Registration of the firm is optional. The existence of the firm is affected by the death leniency, insolvency or retirement of the partners. Right, तो ये हुआ अपना जनरल पार्टनरशिप. In general partnership, the liability of the partner is unlimited and joint. The partners enjoy the right to participate in the management of the firm and their acts are binding on each other as well as on the firm. The registration of the firm is optional. The existence of the firm is affected by the death, leniency, insolvency or retirement of a partner. Limited partnership. Limited मतलब यहाँ पे liability क्या होती है? Limited होती है. In limited partnership, the liability of at least one partner is unlimited, whereas the rest can have the limited. समझना? एक पार्टनर की liability unlimited और बाकी लोगों की limited. Such partnership does not get terminated with the death से, leniency से, insolvency से बंद नहीं होता. The limited partners do not enjoy the right of management and their acts and do not bind the firms on the other partner. Registration of such firm is compulsory. This form of partnership was not permitted in India. अपने इंडिया में नहीं चलता ही. The permission to form the partnership firm with limited liability has been granted. The new enterprise in 1991. The idea behind such a move is to enable the partnership to attract equity capital. ठीक है, equity market में entry करने के लिए, उसके लिए. And due to existence of unlimited liability clause of the partnership form. Okay. Partnership D. क्या है ये? Partnership is a voluntary association. Yes, friends. So we will discuss this in the next topic. Right. तो आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? Types of partners. तो क्या क्या पढ़े types of partner में friends? First is the active partner, sleeping partner, right? Secret partner, फिर nominal partner, partner by estoppel, partner by holding out. ठीक है. फिर हमने पढ़ा type partnership के types of partnership on the basis of duration and on the basis of liability. ठीक है. So next period we are going to discuss the partnership deed. So please revise this. Okay. Thank you. Take care. God bless you.